How becoming a Salesforce admin can open future career growth options for you. In the year 2017, Salesforce admin was considered to be the sixth best job in the job market, as per the report published by the Salesforce itself. Now, if you are still wondering why Salesforce is the best career option for you, here's something you should definitely not miss out on, my friend. More than 200 companies have now switched to Salesforce for their CRM, whereas the annualized growth of the platform is expected to be 65%. It is not something that happens every year when people look out for a job. Maybe you're lucky this time. The market for Salesforce is hot, and so are the raging skills related to Salesforce. So in this video, I'll be talking about reasons why Salesforce admin can open future career growth options. But before we move ahead, I would really like you to subscribe to our channel to never miss any update from our side. Now let's take a deep dive into the reasons. But before that, I would really like to ask you, do you know that Salesforce is expected to generate $1.6 trillion in the upcoming business revenues by 2026? This gives a clear indication that enterprises love Salesforce as their preferred CRM platform. But why? Where did that happen? Well, here's the quick idea for you. Having Salesforce CRM on board results with a massive increase in sales and business numbers, such as 27% increase in the sales revenue, 32% increase in the lead conversion rate, 34% increase in the customer satisfaction, and 56% increase in the deployment rate. Now that you have reached this far in the video, here are the reasons that I'm going to tell you why Salesforce is the correct career option for you. So at present, the job role of the Salesforce admin is capturing a huge attention. And according to the IDC study guide, it is the most promising career path with a prediction of 3.3 million jobs by 2023. Salesforce admin is primarily the top CRM system that is leading the total share of 19.7% of the total market. It is in the high demand. The handsome salary, aesthetic work culture, and community makes it stand out of the crowd as a lucrative career choice. The increased 27% sales revenue, 32% conversion rate, 34% customer satisfaction, and 56% hike in deployment rate is the reason why the profession of Salesforce admin is in the fame, especially amongst the youngster and the top industries waiting to recruit them. Around 200,000 firms have taken a shift to Salesforce because of the rise in job expectations and the projected growth of 65% in the coming years. Salesforce is now considered to be very apt and complete for all the business requirements, as it is enough to increase website traffic, gather plenty of business cards, grow networks, and enhance your social media presence as well. But to stay ahead of the rest, you need to expand your skill set too. And LearNowx is one such platform that helps you with upskilling while studying in the tech field of your choice. At the same time, being your growth catalyst, LearNowx assists you in increasing the candidate's ability to take on new challenges and more. It is a win-win situation. So, why wait?